Hello, nice to meet you, Mark.
Nice to meet you too, Jerry.
Welcome to Shenzhen, China.
Thank you. It's nice to be here.
And may I ask you some questions?
Yes, of course.
Okay. First, I want to know, can you introduce the Ren-Tech and talk us about your business?
Okay, thanks, Jerry. Ren-Tech is a renewable energy technology-based company, and we focus on EPC-style projects. We take them from cradle to grave, right from feasibility study, or even starting at the investigation level, then feasibility studies, financial modeling, and then going into the implementation phase based on the chosen solution the client prefers. We believe that quality the first time is the basis of our marketing strategy, and that's where we like to focus.
Why did Ren-Tech decide to engage with GWTime?
GWTime DC coupled architecture is quite unique, and we believe that it is where the market is going. And this is an opportunity for us to develop our technology, develop our design capabilities, and also we see it as a great opportunity to be able to supply the EPC contractors in the market with good technology and good equipment.
Why is this distributorship important?
The Southern African market doesn't only need leading technology DC coupled equipment. It also needs knowledge, DC coupled knowledge, to support the EPC contractors and also the engineers doing the upfront work. And that's where we see ourselves fitting into, and that was the alignment in us choosing GWTime.
So why is DC coupled technology important in Africa?
Africa faces unstable grids, and this forces a high dependence on diesel generation. The costs are compromising development. To DC coupled technology, because this is where the market needs to be filled. This is, in our opinion, the way the future is going. And that means that we're going to be shifting our focus from not only doing EPC type contracts, but migrating into a DC coupled equipment supplier, supplying equipment into Southern Africa.
So how will Ren-Tech support other EPC companies?
Through appropriate technology and equipment standards. And this will empower contractors and engineers to deliver appropriately structured and geared solutions for the challenges that face the grid in Africa.
What do you see as the strongest market sectors?
Well, Jerry, if the grid is compromised, I think all the sectors are compromised. So it goes from commercial, industrial, agriculture, remote tourism sites, remote residential developments. It goes right through the whole sector. And that means that the opportunities are big. And the work to be done is vast.
Why GWTime specifically?
Well, GWTime offers a very scalable technical solution, which enables configuring projects from small projects to large projects. And we see this as the backbone of being flexible to deliver to the market. Also, we've found that GWTime is a group of people that want to deliver into a long-term relationship, and this is one of the things that came forward to us in the beginning.
So, what is your long-term vision?
Our long-term vision is to establish GWTime in a long-term relationship with Ren-Tech as a recognized force in the industry. We believe that doing it right the first time is the base of our marketing philosophy. We want to support engineers, contractors and energy users with good DC coupled solutions because we see this as the future solution.
Oh, exactly. Hey, Mark, thanks for your time.
It's my pleasure, Jerry. Thank you for the time.
Have a good trip.
Thank you.